Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. So let's have a look now. Open Photoshop and click Open to pull up your image. Click on Image at the top menu bar, then click on Image Size. A window will pop up where you can adjust the width and height of your image based on different measurements, such as percent, pixels, or centimeters. Click OK once you have made your adjustments. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl and T on your keyboard, then resize it based on your needs. Hit Shift and Alt to resize the image from all sides to the center. You can also hit Shift to resize the image from just one angle. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.